Today's video is, well, hello everyone, I am here and I have some unpacking that I am doing. All this noise is something new that I received. I bought and it arrived. I am unpacking my Neewer 18-inch ring light. I'll finally have some lights in my video. So, this is good. Black and white, just my head showing. And this thing says it is fragile. It is fragile. This is the side. I got a little ding from shipping, but we will see if everything is working. $1. Box number 2. Oop, I don't know what that is. Another box, 3 boxes. This also got the ding on it. Let's hope everything is okay. Anything else in here? This is it. Ring light. I will have some light for my videos. Okay, in this box, let's see what's in there. Oops. I have to be careful. And this unboxing is for my Neewer 18-inch ring light. Plug. Comes with a little booklet. In this box, remote control, a black hot shoe ball head with 1/4 inch screw mount. This is a camera phone mount for your phone. This cord came in that box. Now let's see what comes in this box. This box has the legs. Nothing else. The tripod legs. Now this is the last box. Can we guess what's in here? Can we guess? I can. Everything looks beautiful. One piece was out. There is one. This is how it comes. Huge. Another piece to it was in the box like this. This is what it comes. This is how it comes, and this box is now empty. Now I snap it in place. this button goes cool and warm. This one is minimum and maximum. And we have an on and off button right here. Now, this knob here releases, so this knob you can unscrew it so you can do the legs. You can bring it up or down. And then you tighten this back. Now it's down here. Oop. You can go this way. You can go that way. I mean, this is tall. I don't think I'll need it that tall, but we'll see. Oops. Now, let's see. We need cord. And it goes, this goes in here like this. All of this attached. Do some wrapping the cord. It comes with this. All of this is in here. Now I'm going to bring this up. I brought this piece up and I'm tightening it back. So I have the height that I need. It goes higher than that. For now, we'll do this. I get the plugs in. This is the plug. Now, this, I'll bring this a little lower so we're not out of frame for now. This comes with a little black knob. We're gonna take this off. And we are going to take this and put it over it and screw it in. Sorry for the choice of word. We put it over it and tighten it. Better choice of word. And tighten and boom. A little bit more. Now, I'll bring it down so you can see this. The ring light. I'm still going back so you can see the light. This is the light. This is gorgeous. I am liking it already. I haven't even put it on. Okay, so now we'll get back a little closer. Over here, this piece right here. Can you see me? Goes here. Goes right in here. And you tighten it. This little thing right here is for this thing for your phone, which I won't be using. I won't be using my phone, but this is what you put. Since I'm not using my phone, I don't need it. I'm just showing you what it does. So we'll tighten it up. So you can use your phone this way, or you can turn this and use it this way. There's a little screw in the back, you loosen it up, and you can change it this way for your phone. This is for your phone. Let's do the lights. Let's plug it in. We need to plug it in so we can see how much light we get. This piece goes down here. Down has a little outlet right here. And now let's plug it in and see what we have. Wow, I plugged it in. Can you see? I'm leaving it low for a reason. Because I want you to see the whole thing. Wow. Okay, so now you cannot see me with all this light. But this is the light I want you to see. It's on, you can put it off, and then you see me again. But this is it off. This is it on. Lots of light. And I can go, this is the lowest setting. So check, as I go up, up, up in the setting, it gets brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. And that's max. And then we go back to minimum. Now this is on the, this is the cool side. Off. So we go all the way like this. This is on the warm. Max. This is cool, and we go all the way here. That's it. That is the unboxing of my light. This is the remote control. So, bright, maximum. I can go this way, a little, and then I'm getting warmer and warmer and warmer. This is my 18-inch Neewer unboxing ring light. Thank you again for watching. Take care, be good to self, take care of self. Self is important. Love self plenty. And please check out my other videos on YouTube. Simply You is the channel name. Take care and peace out.